Whoa, what is that? It's a silly skull. Hey, who are you? It's me, Simon. Look at my awesome trick. Whoa, this is cool. Perfect for Halloween. Now let me try. Get ready for my surprise. Let's make the surprise box for Halloween. This is so cool, Randy. How do you do it? Wait, what is that on your back? Ron and Kevin are doing all the hard work for you. This will be so much fun. Wow! And we will show you how to make this trick for real. It's super fun and easy. Whoa! Why the pizza, fish bones, and even Sprunkies in it? I don't want it. It's so yummy. I like it. Hey, Randy, look, a rat is sitting on top of you. I don't care. Yum, yum, yum. Ah! Yum, yum, yum. My name is Big Burger, and I like to eat. Yum, yum, yum. This is the best burger ever. Let's make this yummy burger together. Hey, SpongeBob! My tummy is now your trampoline! Let me show you how to make this SpongeBob paper craft. What's that big wiggly thing behind the curtain? It's kind of spooky looking. Let's count to 3 and peek together. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, is this birthday cake for me? Wait, my birthday is next month. Oh no! Quickly, run! Let's make this paper claw together for Halloween. Giant frog is chasing me. No worries, my name is Frogcatcher. Let's catch it together. Ew! Whoa, it's not a frog. It's Jake. Run! Wow! Let's turn it into a giant frog. Let's make more easy Halloween crafts. Wait, are they SpongeBob and Patrick? Why do you look so evil? Is it because you don't like them? Tell me, Daddy! Talk to me, Daddy! Sprunkies are peeking too. Nope, they're just playing hide and seek. It looks fun. Can we join? Whoever loses has to join the Squid Game challenge. No, never mind then. Let's make this hide and seek sticker together. Stop! You guys are super noisy. I need your help. Sure. Can you wake a whack up? That's super easy. Stop! You guys are super noisy and I want to sleep. Let's make this noisy Sprunky together. Check it out! We have a ton of Sprunky pens! Whoa, look! They stack! Joby, let's make a super cool tower! A Sprunky tower? That's awesome! We can even make up games with them! Oh no, Randy's twice home front! Wanna make your own Sprunky stacking pen? We'll show you how to make them! Help! That hurts! Let's pop all of them! Nice job, thank you! Oh, Simon, are you okay? Let me help you out! Whoa, what is this? We will quickly show you how to make it! It's super fun and easy!